Hi guys, today I'm going to make coriander and mint chutney, which you eat in many grilled type of recipes, even with kebabs. So here is the ingredients. I had taken 3 to 4 chopped green chilies, which are small, and coriander around this much quantity, and mint leaves. Wash it and grind it. So the paste will be ready. Take a bowl and add yogurt. Eight tablespoons of yogurt I had added, and 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon black pepper, and the grinded things we'll add in it. So the spices were added, and what we had grinded, that I have dissolved in it. Now mix it well to cover everywhere. This is how easy and simple it is to make. You can see it was very quick. It just took me 2 minutes. You can also try out and do share your views with me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.